since its establishment in 1964. Starseiki has grown alongside Japan's economic development in Aichi Prefecture, where the manufacturing industry is thriving. In recent years, as a comprehensive manufacturer of Cartesian robots, we have made use of our extensive experiences and achievements to propose automation and labor-saving solutions for manufacturing sites across various fields. Plastic molding. Standard type takeout robots for injection molding. A lineup ranging from small to extra large to suit various industries. Robot hand parts. Eins robot hand parts can be used not only for plastic injection molding, but also for various robots and FA equipment in different industries, depending on your ideas. Robot palletizer. Robot palletizer are actively used in workplaces, where continuous palletizing of moderately heavy items, such as food, cosmetics, and electrical appliances, is required. In addition, we offer robot travel access units, track motion, automatic supply takeout robots, and gantry loaders. Robot palletizers solve problems of labor shortages and space constraints, achieving efficiency. Their adoption in the food and beverage industries is progressing, contributing to increased productivity and cost reduction. In S company case, the introduction of robot palletizer reduced the number of staff from 10 to 1, increased the processing volume from 3,500 boxes to 7,200 boxes per day, and significantly reduced labor costs. Furthermore, by the introduction of track motion, a single robot can handle multiple tasks without changing the work area, reducing the number of robots from 4 to 2 and achieving robot efficiency. Finally, in the case of the gantry loader, there were 8 staff members for 8 machining tools. But with the introduction of an 18 meters gantry loader, the number of staff was reduced to 1. StarSeiki has set a goal to reduce CO2 emissions by 50% by 2030. They are implementing measures such as installing solar panels, going paperless, switching to renewable energy, and introducing hybrid vehicles. Reduce CO2 emissions by 30% by 2027. Reduce CO2 emissions by 50% by 2030. StarSeiki is undertaking various initiatives to achieve its goals. StarSeiki, head office factory in Aichi Prefecture, is a pioneer of takeout robot manufacturer. We try to provide prompt service with branches and sales offices across the various regions. In 1986, a representative office was established in Hong Kong, and it was incorporated in 1999. They have expanded their production, sales, and after-sales service network across various regions in China, providing high customer satisfaction proposals. They have also established bases in Asia, Oceania, North America, Europe, and South America, operating globally. StarSeiki contribute to the local community with group companies Kunimori Kagaku, Star Techno, and Sturtech. Kunimori Kagaku is a comprehensive plastic manufacturer known for its technological prowess and proposal capabilities. Star Techno, as an system integrator company, offers advanced equipment and system proposals. StarTech offers unique IoT system proposals with experience and insights gained from IT software development. The combined technologies of various companies create new value. As a leading comprehensive manufacturer of Cartesian robots for the new era, StarSeiki will create smart factories together with our customers.